Here we are discussing about verb. Verb. Verb shows an action or work. Verb shows an action or work. Okay. Verbum is a Latin word. Verbum is a Latin word. Verbum is a Latin word. Okay. There are two types of verbs. There are two types of verbs. Okay. They are first one auxiliary verbs. Second one main verb. They are verbum is a Latin word. Okay. There are two types of words. They are auxiliary verbs, main verbs. Okay. So let us know about auxiliary verbs. First one, auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Or helping verbs. They called helping verbs because they help main verb. Okay. Auxiliary verbs are used with the main verb. With the main verb to express action. So, usage to express action. Sima. Auxiliary verbs. For these auxiliary verbs, we are calling helping verbs also. Okay. First usage, auxiliary verbs are used with the main verb to express action. So, these verbs are helping to main verb to express action. Okay. Next, these verbs help in making. Second point, these verbs means auxiliary verbs help in making questions, positive and negative statements. So they are helpful to us in making questions and writing positive and negative statements. Okay. They are used to express action. With the help of these auxiliary verbs, we can write questions and positive and negative statements. Okay. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. Two types of auxiliary verbs. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. Okay. So let us see what are they. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. So first one is primary. Primary verbs. Okay. Primary verbs. So under this, be, have, do forms. Next, second one, So two types of auxiliary verbs are there. They are primary verbs, be, have, do forms. Okay. Second one, secondary verbs. Secondary verbs. So they are also called as modal verbs. They are also called as modal verbs. Okay. They are also called as modal verbs. Okay. So primary verbs, secondary verbs. Okay. So they are used to show actions. Primary verbs and secondary verbs. Okay. They are used to show action with the main verb. Okay. So these primary verbs, secondary verbs are using for showing actions. Okay. So another special is there for these modal verbs. Okay. So what is that? Modal verbs are used which indicate the mood of the speaker. So modal verbs indicate the mood of the speaker. Mood of the speaker. Okay. Okay. Modal verbs indicate the mood of the speaker. Again, there is a special case for this usage. They are used to show ability, inability, possibility, impossibility, obligation, request and permission. Okay. So for showing all these expressions, okay, so we are using modal verbs. Okay, we are using modal verbs to indicate the mood of the speaker, how the speaker was. Okay, so for expressing his mood, okay, these modal verbs are helpful to us. Again, second usage, they are used to show ability, inability, possibility, impossibility, obligation, request and permission. So for expressing these, we are using these modal verbs. Okay. Suppose I can do it. Means we are saying here I can do that work. Okay. So here we are showing that he can. Means his ability we are showing. Okay. He may come. Means there is a possibility here. May means possibility. Okay. So may is a modal verb. Like this, modal verbs are helpful to us to show their ability, inability, possibility, okay, impossibility. For these purposes, we are using modal verbs for showing their abilities, inabilities. For all these expressions, okay, we can use for expressing these expressions, we have to use this modal verbs. So in this way, modal verbs are helping us. Okay. Next, there are totally primary and secondary. I said, is it primary verbs are there? Secondary verbs are there. Auxiliary verbs are two types. I said, is it primary, secondary? Okay. Totally 24 are there. Okay. Let us see. There are 24 auxiliary verbs. Totally, how many auxiliary verbs are there? 24. There are 24 auxiliary verbs. Okay, there are 24 auxiliary verbs. Means primary and secondary. Okay. So primary and secondary, totally 24 auxiliary verbs are there. Okay. Let us see first be forms. Be forms means B forms. Am, is, are, was, were. Okay. Next, do forms. Do forms. Do, does, did. Okay. Do, does, did. Okay. Next, have forms. Have forms. Okay. Have, has, had. Okay. So these are all primary verbs. Okay. Primary verbs. Be forms, do forms, have forms. Okay. Next, modal verbs. Okay. Modal verbs. Or modal forms we can say. Okay. Modal forms. Modal forms: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might. Okay, may, might, must, need to, used to. Next, ought to. Last one, dare. Okay. So these are all modal forms. Okay. Be forms, do forms, have forms, modal forms. Totally 24 auxiliary verbs are there. There are two types of auxiliary verbs. They are primary and secondary. Okay. So primary means be, do, have forms. Okay. So be forms, do forms, have forms. Secondary verbs, they are modal forms. So will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, need to, used to, ought to, dare. Okay. So these are all auxiliary verbs which helps us to show an action when that action is taking place or going to take place or already happened. Okay. This helps us to know when the action is going on or when the action is happened or when the action is going to happen. Okay. With the help of these auxiliary verbs only we can understand. So that's why they called as helping verbs. Okay. This is about auxiliary verbs. So here one note is there, is it? So this dare is there, is this dare is used as main verb and also as auxiliary verb. Okay. So this is used as main verb and also auxiliary verbs. Okay. If we are using as main verb, so for these four forms are there. Okay. When we are using as auxiliary verb also, it stands in its place. Okay. So this is about auxiliary verbs. Okay.